Hello guys, welcome to the second part of most expected questions of UGC Net 055 labor welfare paper. And next question is the third dimension in the Reddin's three-dimensional model of leadership. So Reddin's three-dimensional leadership has three dimensions. What are they? So you have to know about that. Here it's the answer is effectiveness. It's a model of leadership. So who among the following had identified the three different skills, namely conceptual skills, human relation skill, and technical skill for effective management? Who among them? So all are coming with Robert, and you'll get confused. It's actually Robert Katz. Who identified three important skills for effective management. One is conceptual skills, one is human relation skill, and technical skill. There can be questions like how Robert Katz divided the different skills, name them, or like, and they will give you options like that. So you have to remember the conceptual skills, human relation skills, and technical skill. Then you know that Robert Blake is related with managerial grid theory, and Robert House is related with path goal theory, and Robert Hoxie is a famous economist. So from this option also, there are different questions which they created, like uh, who developed the managerial grid theory and who is associated with it, and the path goal theory, they match the following and all. So you have to uh, create an idea about the options also. Then SOBC model of organizational behavior identify four major variables which are related to another, which stands for the letter S. So S, which is S from them. This is actually an easy question, like structure, stimulus, system, social. So you can organizational behavior, and you can connect it with stimulus. But there was another question which is based on the same thing, like what do you mean by O? So it was organization, organisms. Like there are different O words, so it was a bit confusing. It is organisms, and B for behavior, and C for consequence, which was given by Davies and Luden's 1980. So who was the main architect of legislation, the Bombay Industrial Dispute Act 1938, being the parliamentary secretary in the Bombay Congress Ministry? So it is Gulzarlal Nanda, and you have to uh, focus on other options also. So, and not only that, you have to focus these questions also. Who the Bombay Industrial Dispute Act 1938, and who was the secretary, parliamentary secretary in the Bombay Congress Ministry on in that time, and or Gulsar Nanda's position, they can give in a statement also. So they will frame these questions in different manner, or they can give it in match the following also. Every class struggle is a political struggle. Who said this? It's Karl Marx. But you have to remember one thing. Recently, there are questions which focus on books also. So they can ask the book of Karl Marx, JDH Cooley, and Frederick Engels, and Lenin. So Guild Socialism is Cooley's book, and Frederick Engels' book is Conditions uh, of Working Class in England in 1844. Then Cooley's other book is The Common People, The World of Labour, The Discussion of Present and Future of Trade Unions, Guild Socialism Restated. The criteria for the recognition of trade union have been laid down under which act? The Trade Union Act of 1926. You have to remember the year of all these acts. Industrial Disputes Act 1947, Industrial Employment Standing Act 1946. There was a previous question based on these years and match the following. So next question. Which pair of scheme of worker participation and the year of its establishment is inconsistent? Inconsistent, they are asking. Works Committee 1947, which is absolutely right. Joint Management Council is 1958, that is also right. Shop Council is actually 1975. And the Joint Council in Commercial and Service Organization is 1977. So this question, you have to remember all these years. This can be asked as a different question. So this area is very important. So you have to remember Works Committee 1947, Joint Management Council 1958, Shop Council 1975, and Joint Council Commercial and Service Organization in Public Sector in 1977. So thank you so much for listening to the class. Do subscribe, like, and do comment.